Now, meanwhile, as the nation observed Teachers' Day, a primary school teacher was murdered inside his home in Westmead, Portland this morning. The St. Catherine South Police are seeking the public's help in finding those responsible. More in this report.
Not the way the school community at Belmont Park Primary in Greater Portmore, St. Catherine, expected to be spending Teachers' Day on Wednesday. Gifts for grade 6 teacher Cleven Campbell, but sadly, he will not be opening any of them. Not too far away from the gifts, grief expressed in letters following news that the teacher had been killed. Police say they were called to his house in the Portmore community of Westmead about 3:15 this morning.
Two men gained entry to his house. One of the men was armed with a firearm. There was a struggle between the one with the firearm and Mr. Campbell. This resulted in Mr. Campbell receiving gunshot injuries to his body. The
police took him to the Spanish Town Hospital, but he was pronounced dead. They want the public to come forward with any information that can help them catch the killers. Back at school, Principal Roy John Keith applauded the Education Ministry for its quick response in sending additional support to help grieving students and staff.
Many of our students and teachers are distraught under the situation. A lot of students were having problems dealing with it, but it is beginning to settle in, and the guidance teams have been guiding them through as how best to cope under the circumstances.
He says Mr. Campbell was one of 3 male teachers at the school, and despite only joining the institution last year, he embodied what a good teacher should be.
A number of parents were coming in and have been coming in from morning because he gets along well with many of the parents.
Prince Moore, TVJ News.